Hey guys, what's going on? So, as promised in that video, in the card, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool origami TV. And yeah, and it's three-dimensional, and it's even got a nice stand here, so you can put it on a surface. And yeah, and I think it's really cool. And it can be a box on this side. And so, here it is. So, this model I folded from a 6-inch square of kami origami paper, cut in half. So it'll give you a TV that's this size. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fold it from a 10-inch square of kami cut in half. So I'll get an origami TV that's this size, because there's some tiny folds involved in this model. So here it is. And before I start the tutorial, I'm going to show you a couple of cool things it does. And so of course the really cool thing about it is that you can make it stand. You just have to fiddle with it. See? Just like that. You can knock it down. And it's a box, like I just showed. So you can put something inside. There's nothing really in here to put inside of it. But yeah, so here it is. And it even works. Check this out. Hey guys, what's going on? So greetings from Cannon Beach, Oregon. I'm here. So there it is. And to get the dimension of paper to fold this, remember, like I just said, it's a half of a square, so you just take a 6-inch square, any 6-inch square would work, any type of paper, fold it in half, crease it really sharply, and I'm going to reverse the crease too, so it's genderless. Okay, and now you could use scissors to cut it off, but I'm going to tear it off. So you just make a little tear on the top, and place it on a flat surface, and separate your hands. And there is the dimension of paper you need. Yep. So from half of a 6-inch square, you'll get a TV that's this size. Okay. But like I said, I'm going to show you how to fold it from half of a 10-inch square. Alright, let's go ahead and start folding it. Okay. And what color should I use? I guess I'll use green. Okay. So we only need half, so you can make 2 TVs from 1 square. Okay, so let's begin right side up and let's fold in half. But just make 2 crease marks. One here, one there. Okay, unfold, fold to the 2 crease marks, and make a crease mark here. And a crease mark here. Okay? And now fold this edge to these 2 crease marks. Alright, and this time you can fold it all the way across. Alright, and repeat that on this side. Crease mark there. And a crease mark there. And fold this edge to these 2 crease marks. Alright, and now rotate like this, and take this edge and fold it to this edge. You don't really need to fold it, you can just make a crease mark right there, and repeat on this side. Crease mark there. Okay, and now fold in between the 2 crease marks. Alright, and crease sharply. Okay, like this. Now we're going to fold this up how much? Well, this fold is to taste. So this rectangle is going to be the screen. So it's really to taste, but just about like this. But let's make a light fold for right now. And this is the part where you have to decide how thick you want the bottom part to be. Like this. So just make the fold light for right now. And now fold the model in half. And hold the layers down so it doesn't slide like that. The neighbor's dog. Okay. And make this fold light too. And if you're happy with your thickness between this crease and the raw edge, then you're good. And let's go ahead and fold in half on that crease. Okay? And make sure you hold the layers down too. Okay? And make this fold sharp too. Alright? And now you can unfold that. And now turn over. And let's reverse this crease. So we're folding on this side now. Okay? Like this, and keep it folded. Rotate like this. Take this edge and fold it to this edge. Like this. And unfold. And fold this edge to this edge. Okay? And unfold, and now it's rabbit ear it. Let's make those two folds at the same time. Pinch right here. Alright, and flatten this to the left. Or I don't really think it matters what side. Just flatten it to one side. I'm just going to do the left. Okay, and take this edge and fold it to the top. Alright. Okay, unfold. And now let's unfold this. And now we're going to sink it. So we're going to mount and fold along these creases. Like this. Okay? And then now, let's make these two creases valleys. Okay, like this, and pinch here. Okay, and now take this part and open it up and flatten. Like this. Okay, and now comes the most challenging step, so good luck. So we're going to take this edge and fold it to the middle, like this. And it's not going to flatten here because this edge comes along with it. So just start the fold here. So fold this, and try and hold the layers together back here so they don't separate like this. You just hold it onto the table. And make this fold. Now in here, we're going to spread squash this. See? So it turns into a triangle like this, and this is challenging. And also it's to taste too. Just flatten it however it flattens. Okay? Just like this. It doesn't matter if it's messy on this side. This is the back and this is not the visible side. Okay, see? If you look on this model, see it's pretty messy back here, but it doesn't matter. This is the side you need to look at. Okay, just like this. Oh yeah, see it kind of altered a little bit. You have to be careful. It's alright, it's close enough, it's okay too. And repeat on this side. This is a challenging and messy step. Okay, so fold this edge to the middle. And make sure you hold the layers together. Just hold it onto the table as firm as possible. And now spread squash here, or flatten it however you can. Like this. And that is a challenging step. Yeah, spread squashes are not very easy. They're pretty hard. Okay, like this. See? This is what it looks like, so we thinned out this part. Alright. So if you like it like this, it's actually pretty cool just like this, see? This is the simpler version of it. So it's two-dimensional, and it's a nice TV. And yeah. So if you like it like this, then you're done. But if you want to put a stand, so it'll stand on the desk like this. And if you want to three-dimensionalize it into a box, then here's how to do that. So let's three-dimensionalize it first, and then we'll work on the stand. So turn over on this side, and let's just kind of just fold right over this raw edge, and just make that fold light. There, it's not exactly a fold, just enough so you can see it. Okay, and take this edge and fold it to that mark, to that light fold. All right, and this is going to be the thickness of the three-dimensional TV. And do that all the way around. So just fold over that raw edge, just bend it like this, enough so you can start to see a crease here, and fold this edge to here. Or if your paper is, if you're using light paper, light colored paper like me, If you look closely, you can kind of see the edge through the paper. You can just do that if you want, fold it to the edge. Like this. Okay, unfold, turn over, and we're going to take this point and fold it to the intersection. And this is pretty small. That's why I'm using half of a 10-inch square. Because that 6-inch paper is really small, really tiny, and it'll probably be hard to see on camera. And repeat on the side. Okay, unfold. And now, we're gonna turn this into a box. So, there you go. Okay, so we're gonna take these 2 points, bring them together, and we're mountain folding on the creases, like this. Okay, and now see this flap inside, this interior flap? Fold that all the way to the bottom on the existing crease. And yeah, see, out of 6-inch paper, it's more challenging because it's a lot smaller. Okay, so yeah, for this model, I highly recommend you use bigger paper on your first try. Maybe 10 inches or bigger. Okay, and repeat on this side. Make sure it comes to a nice point right there too. And fold that interior flap on the crease. Like that. Alright, and now it is 3-dimensional. See, isn't this cool? And you can treat it like a box or a container. You put stuff inside. Yeah, I always use memory cards for this kind of stuff because that's what I always have on hand on this table. Okay. Because yeah, pretty much all I have on this table is my origami paper and those 2 memory cards. Okay. Now, do you want to put a stand on it so you can make it stand on the desk here? Alright, here goes. So to do that, we're gonna just kind of fold this part in half, just temporarily. And I'm gonna go ahead and make a pre-crease for this. So fold this edge to this edge. Yeah, that's a lot of layers right there. This is just a pre-crease, it's not really that important. This actually isn't really necessary, this is optional. Okay, unfold. And now we're going to reverse fold. Like this on the crease. Okay? And this is a pretty tough reverse fold because it's so many layers. Oh, God. There you go. Alright, now undo the reverse fold temporarily. And now, let's just get these outer flaps out of the way here. Just kind of just open them up like this. And now we're just going to reverse fold. We're going to reverse fold just this middle edge inside. Just the middle edge. Like this. And the way to do that is you can just bring these 2 points together. Like this. See? Make sure those sides are unfolded. See? We get something like this. And now, this is also kind of tricky. Not too bad though. Let's just kind of pinch here. And fold this edge down. It's really to take, well, you can fold it down. Yeah, just fold it down about like this. It's really to taste. Okay, and repeat on this side too. Okay, like this. There we go. And now unfold them like this, and make sure that it's perpendicular right there. Alright, and there is our stand. Okay, and now find a table or desk that is smooth, and you just kind of have to fiddle with it if you want it to stand. So, see, it's falling towards me, so just kind of fiddle with it, like this. Maybe just kind of adjust the stand. Oh, I see why, because the paper's sticking up right there. Just push that down. There you go. There you go. Finally got it right there. See? There you go. See, you just have to fiddle with it. See, like this one. There you go. Got it. Just like this. So yeah. And it even works. Check this out. Hey guys, what's going on? So, greetings from Cannon Beach, Oregon. I'm here. Alright, so there it is. Well, I hope you guys were able to fold that. And if you got stuck at some point, let me know where. And I'll try to explain it in more detail. And yeah, but if you did manage to fold it, well, congratulations, and I'd like to see demos of it. So, once you made your demo, you can make a comment below, put the link to your demo in there, so that way I can click on it and hopefully check it out. Alright, well, hope you guys like that. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.